about the clocks. Clocks are used to measure time intervals. What is a time interval? For each hour, you will be having 60 minutes, and each minute we will be having 60 seconds. These are all the time intervals. Different types of clocks are used to measure time interval. In the ancient time, people used the sand clock, sundial, and all. Now they are using clocks like this shown in that. One is analog and another one is digital clock. So a clock is a device used to measure, keep and indicate time. What is a clock? Clock is a device used to measure time interval and indicate time. So many clocks were used from the ancient time. What is an ancient time? In olden days, scientists modify the clock's mechanism to obtain accuracy. What do you mean by accuracy? Correctness, exact meaning. Then we will see the types of clocks based upon the mechanism. There are two types based upon the mechanism. This is a picture of ancient clock. On display, based upon the display, there is a two types of clocks. One is analog clock and another one is digital clock. Types of clock based on working mechanism. One is quartz clock and another one is atomic clock. Analog and digital clocks, you know very well. Analog, it will be having three hands. One is hour hand, another one is minute hand, and another one is second hands. In digital, you need not have all these hands. It will be directly display the time, isn't it? In digital clock, it will be directly displays the time. This is an analog clock. You must see what is an hour hand represent 8, and where is the bigger needle, and you have to see the third hand. Analog clock, there will be in three hand. One is hour hand, minute hand, second hands. So it looks like a classic clock. It has three hands to show the time. Hour hand, it is short and thick. Then hour hand is short, it is short and thick. Then 8 hours, it shows hours. Minute hand, it is a long and thin. Minute hand, it is a long and thin. பெரிய முள்ளு சின்ன முள்ளு சொல்லுவோம்ல. It shows minute hand. Second hand, it's a long and very thin. It shows second. It makes one rotation in 1 minute and 60 rotation in 1 hour. Second hand, it is a long and very thin. It shows seconds. It makes one rotation in 1 minute and 60 rotation in 1 hour. Then have you understood about an analog clock? It's a classical look having in three hands. Analog clocks can be driven either mechanically or electrically. Mechanically means the spring you have to wind up and use. Electrically you can use a battery. Then we will see the digital clock. digital clock, you need not calculate hour hand, minute hand and second hand. It will directly display the time that you can see in the station, railway station. Even nowadays the digital clock will shows the date, month and year also. See the digital clock, what is the time it's showing? 12 hours 30 minutes. So where is the hour hand here? No hour hand, but we can say the hours 12. And minute hand, no minute hand, but I can say the minute 30 minutes. So a digital clock displays us the time directly. Digital clock displays us the time directly. It shows the time in number way, that is numerals or other symbols. It may have 12 hours or 24 hours display. That means in the afternoon session 1 o'clock it may display either that you can set and make it 1 hour 30 minutes or else 13 hours. 13 means after 12 1 hour 1 o'clock. Recent clocks are showing date, day, month, year and even the body temperature. In digital clock, recent clocks are showing even the date, day, month, year, temperature, etc. Digital clocks are often called as electronic clocks. Digital clocks are otherwise called as electronic clocks. Now based upon the mechanism, we are going to see the other two type clocks. Based upon the mechanism, two types of clocks are there. One is quartz clock. In this clock a crystal quartz is there and a system consisting electronic vibrations that signals controlled by the quartz crystal. The clocks are activated by electronic oscillation which are controlled by quartz crystal. So the clock is called as quartz clock. Electronic oscillation, activated by electronic oscillation. The clock consists in system that will continuously send a waves or a signals. That signals are controlled by quartz clock. The frequency of vibrating crystal is very precise. Already I said precise means exact. Frequency, number of vibration in a particular time is called as your frequency. Number of oscillations in a particular time is called as frequency. So the quartz clock is more accurate than mechanical clock. You can ask me how many times or how much it is accuracy. That is accuracy 10 power 9 seconds. What is 10 power 9? 10 power 9 means nanoseconds. Its accuracy is in nanoseconds. That is your quartz clock. Then we will see the atomic clock. Now the display will show you a quartz clock. In between in the clock it is written as quartz clock. Atomic clock. The clocks are making use of periodic vibration within the atom. The atom vibration in the clock is important in that. The clocks have an accuracy in 10 power 13 seconds. In quartz clock we see that is accurate in 10 power 9 seconds, nanoseconds. Here it is 10 power 13 seconds. Atomic clock is used in global position system, GPS. What is GPS? Using a GPS system you can track the vehicle wherever it is, and it is used in global navigation satellite system. Navigation, you know that navigation satellite system, it is also an connected with a GPS. You can find out the position of the vehicle using the vibration. International time distribution services. Atomic clocks are used in these three. Then a display will show you an atomic clock. So atomic clocks are used in GPS, navigation satellite system and international time distribution services. Atomic clock, display of your atomic clock. Simple questions. Mention the types of clock based on the display. What we have studied: display, analog and digital. Then mention the types of clocks based on their mechanism: quartz clock and atomic clock. That's all. Digital clock is also known as electronic clock.